Hello, I'm Phil Ernest, and this is the Gamcheon Cultural Village. This is the bus going to the village. You can get there by walking. Here comes another bus. They come around quite frequently around here. That you'll see along the way like this. It is a steep walk up these streets. Here. So like I said, if you take the bus coming up here, you'll miss out on all of these neat little outlooks that you'll see along the way. Look at that. Check it out. So it is, like I said, a steep walk, but it is well worth it. The reward, you get to see the beautiful scenery take place as you begin to go higher and higher. Some more murals. Look at this one. Pretty nice, like a mosaic made along, prettying up the bus stop area here. Let's see as it continues around this area here. Really nice. Look at this wall. They did it up really good. There's an information map up there showing the village. Let's go take a look at that map. The neat thing about this is the locals will help you and give you directions when you don't even ask for it, because they know where you want to go. So this is the Ami Tombstone Cultural Village information here. This is really a great walk. Like I said, it's steep, but you can learn a lot about the history here. Looking at the old style, look at that guy getting a haircut, the early days of Korea, and then they have a lot more stuff over here. So, but also get out and learn about the cultural area of it, of Korea. It takes you right way back to the time when the Korean War was happening, and look at the soldiers here and everything. So this is really neat. I highly recommend not only coming here, but if you can possibly do the walk and appreciate it. You get a nice cool breeze also blowing up around this area too. These little gondolas. This is neat. Look at the little pottery that they made here on the wall. Look at that. All kinds of little houses, the fine detail artwork that has gone into this. There's a billboard, but then you begin to see all these little clay houses that mimic the colorful district itself. Look at that. Really nice. Just look at there, even a little kitty cat doing a stretch. A cat trying to sneak into the window right there. So little details, no stone goes unturned. Was been the Tombstone Cultural Village. Now just a little bit more of a push up this hill and you will get to the Gamcheon Cultural Village and see what that has to offer. Almost to the top. And you know stuff is going to be good when you start seeing these Busan Express tour buses too. There's got to be something good if these buses are coming up here. So as I just walked over this path over here, seeing this sign here showing the observatory, a sculptural park. Check this out. Wow, this is pretty neat. And it shows how to get there, observatory project. So this is something to kind of check out here along this way. And then you got this also up here. So there's a lot more stuff happening. And it looks like it's pointing an arrow to go that way on up. So you know you've made it when you see the Gamcheon Cultural Village right there welcoming you in, and there's a little tourist information to ask questions about if you're unsure of anything, and then you could take that walk along that way. Looks like there's quite a bit of markets and foods. And over this way, let's go check out what's happening beyond here. We can see some colorful houses there. Let's see over here. Look at this. This is the money shot right here. This is why you come all this way. Look at this. Wow, look at all those beautiful, colorful houses there. The Gamcheon district of the colorful houses. Doesn't get any better than that. So this is neat. Walking down here, you get to see they have like a little photo zone here. They got these things sculptured up, and then they even have it, look, becoming one photo zone. Shows a little bit about it here, and this is well worth it. If you're in Busan, do yourself a favor, go the extra little mile or 2 or kilometers to get yourself up here and check it out for yourself. Gamcheon Cultural Village. Let's just take a look inside, take a little walk down this village and see what kind of shops they have here. So at the start, I pulled into this place right here to get some bite to eat, and pretty good little place here. They got Wi-Fi, Got your food servings, and check out this food I got here. This is really neat. Look at this. Ordered some bulgogi, rice, beef bulgogi, and some rice and shrimp right there. And they got Wi-Fi password and everything at this place. So let's see how it tastes. The food was really good. It was more like eating a home-cooked meal than eating out at a restaurant. The atmosphere was nice, and the staff was very helpful and friendly. So I would definitely recommend this place as an eating place along this trek. And they got the restrooms right across this street here. This place is really popular with the tourists. Look at here. A whole bunch of tourists coming by here, led by their tour leader, and those were those tour buses, remember I showed you coming up earlier? This is pretty neat. They have a little Gamcheon, little museum here. And here's the entrance. It's free to go in. Gives you a good flavor of this little area in itself, and it dates you back to when it first started, back to the 50s here. You can see the creation of this whole area back to the 50s, how it originally looked before it became colorful, and then its transformation into the 60s and 70s, and then the 80s when they started having some color added to their buildings. Old things that they used to use way back, some tools. That's it. So it's a really fast little view, and you get a true appreciation. We invite you into the Gamcheon Culture Village and explore its history and culture and art. These things, they got this little street, but we'll see if we can get closer to where those actual houses are and get a little bit more of appreciation of the buildings and the houses up close. Look at this big mosaic here. Pretty neat. And over here, look at a little bit of the colorful houses that have started. So as I said, they started painting these buildings in the 80s, and then by the 90s, it started even getting more. And then by the 2012, they took on this project that just pushed it to another level. So in the past 10 years, this place has really been colorfuled out. If you're finding this video informative, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to receive more of this informative content, please subscribe to the channel. Little alleys here, look at how narrow this is going down to each individual house. Just take a little walk here and see what it looks like. Oh, this is really nice. Along here, walking down here. Let's see here. Look at how it looks. The view, look at this little kitty cat. The view, every turn is an eye-opening, something new. Looking around here, look at this, vegan food, shape of water drop. Wow, nice. Never seen anything like that. Good. And then, look at this, a frozen s'more. There's more of a view here. Looking about. Look at that. They got a little kitty cat up there playing the guitar. And then they got this other stuff here. Just when you think you've seen it all, there's one last turn. I love Gamcheon. And this is a nice little selfie area here. So as our model is done, I'm going to take a look at that, throw on that barrier. Let's go see what we can see over here. Just showing this view. And this is where the street started, my walking over there. You can see that right there is where I started at the very beginning of this street, and then walked along here and showing you the view. And look at this over here, this building. So this is where you enter the coin, put the coin here, you get out a little fortune, comes in like a little egg, whatever, and then you crack it with this mallet here, and then crack it with this mallet, and then you can also, I guess, hang it up there. Look at that. And then you get there, looks like a Simpson house. And then over here, over the edge here, let's see what this looks like. And then this is another view of this colorful area right here. And you get a nice cool breeze. This is probably the best viewpoint right here on the whole trek. Okay, here we go. Ah, look at that. I'm not sure why they're all waiting there. Maybe just shade, but here's a photo op down here, people, and pretty nice. If you come at 4 in the afternoon, I'll begin to be happy by 3. So this is the deal. People wait in a long, long line just to take a picture with these characters here. Look at all the long line of people waiting just for that picture shot. And continue the nice stroll. And as you're up here, there's a pretty cool breeze that keeps blowing to cool you down in the hot days. So this is pretty nice also. Another angle, view, vantage point of the area. They've really done a nice job, and they even have a little walkway here so you can go down into the heart of these houses and get more of a flavor of it now that I check this out. Okay, here it is. Artist workshop. Public, they got the restrooms and drawings and paintings. House of Stellar. Okay, so this may be worth it. I think I'm going to take this little walk here. Something a little creative and different. They have colorful steps here leading on up to this little area. Let's go check this out, show you what they got up here. Like a little rock pond of some sort. Let's see what this is. Again, showing you back to the early days. And right here. And the colorful steps. Look at how they made it look like a library with books on the side. If you would like to see my other videos on South Korea, please click on the link now. Thank you so much for watching.